Pardon? Throat, no, but then it comes above. It starts from your throat or chest. Means first throat is affected, then you get sneezing. Ascending complaints. Iodine is lower. So we found Venus. Second is Jupiter. Is most important planet for astrology, for a homeopath. It is the conscience in you. It is the wisdom in you. Got it? We are repeating again and again. So things will become more or more clear. So since it's a big planet, it's a heavy planet, so tendency for obesity. And how big Jupiter is. And Sattvic, तो activity कम रहती है. No? Because Sattvic Brahmin does not like to, like I told you, Venus does not like to work hard. Same way Jupiter will also, it's an intellectual work. He doesn't like to work hard. Brahmin is not a soldier who would love to exercise. So again, if you tell a Venus dominant person, do exercise, नहीं करेगा वो. Chances कम है. हाँ, तू exercise करेगा, बहुत अच्छा दिखेगा तो करेगा. Health के लिए बोलोगे तो नहीं करेगा. So this is how you advise to patients. If he's got a strong Venus and you told अरे तुम्हारा diabetes है, endocrine rule होता है, तुम exercise करो तुम्हारा diabetes कम होगा, नहीं करेगा. अरे मुझे मीठा है. अरे उसको पटा लेगा अगर अच्छा होगा. Immediately कर लेगा. Jupiter, so Jupiter is heavy, wisdom, obesity, triglyceride, cholesterol, strong psychosis. Positive psychosis is the conscience, conscientiousness, part of Jupiter. So all benign things, benign tumors is all ruled by Jupiter. It is also the knowledge, inherent intelligence. इस बोलते हैं ना अभी हम लोगों ने देखा पेशेंट को, अरे इसको ये दे दे, सर ऑलवेज टेल, अरे दे दे. सर को मुझे क्यों दिया सर, अरे दे देना मेरे जुपिटर ने बोला सर. So it is just what strikes you without any logic. You also must be experiencing in your practice. You cannot explain it. लेकिन तुमने देखा और उसको स्ट्राइक हो गया. बीच में नहीं ये मुझे ये ड्रग मालूम था इसके लिए मुझे सूझा नहीं. That is logic. Jupiter is instinct. देखा पता चल गया तुमको झट से. It is beyond logic. So it is pure sattvic or intelligence. So, but then this quality will only come if you are conscientious. See now, you have to identify the planet in yourself. So if you want to increase the Jupiterian quality in you, you have to be diligent, you have to be conscientious. नहीं तो कितने भी इंटेलिजेंट हो, कितने भी कॉन्सेंशियस हो, वो क्वालिटी आएगी नहीं. आप डिफिकल्ट है. इट विल डिस्ट्रॉय यू. So Buddha is supposed to be one of the greatest guru. Or all gods, basically see what gods teach. They teach you a way of life. We call them God. But basically all gods are gurus. They teach us what is the purpose of your life. Why are you here? What can you do so that you can attain moksha or any. It may be, so the guru can be sir, can be handyman. So all people who teach you a way, not a goal, the way, a path to follow. He is guru. Because destination, goal बोल दिया, but then how to reach that goal is very important. So rather than goal, path is more important. So this is the path. If you follow this path, you will definitely reach the destination. That is guru. Modern day guru. Negative guru. Shukracharya नहीं, guru only. He is a guru, Asaram Babu. he wasted water during Holi when water was not there. So for him to celebrate Holi was more important. You know what scandals he is in. So we call it a dhongi guru, negative guru, or Rahu guru पीड़ित हो सकता है. See, Rahu can also be positive. Mind it, if anybody has in your charts, don't worry. I told you there is a positive side and a negative side of a planet. Rahu's positive side is desire to achieve something good also. So Rahu Guru may not be diligent, but that doesn't mean that he'll always be corrupt. That choice is there with you. It will say कि बाबा अरे चलो अपना ये बेच के कमाओ, but suddenly it will also teach you कि बाबा नहीं, I have to attain higher knowledge. Okay? So every planet has got its own positive and negative side. It is depends upon you what you take. This is modern day guru. Ether or sky element, what do you mean by sky element? Ether, unlimited knowledge, endless knowledge, which cannot be contained. Eternity. So Deva Satvik, pure Brahmin, he is a prime minister who gives you advice. Sign of natural intelligence rather than borrowed, positive intuition, sign of conscientiousness, loyal, responsible to obey all rules and regulations, duty conscious, conscientious, stability. It gives you that balance. See what I believe, see how we have 9 planets, 12 houses, 12 signs. These all together constitutes a zodiac. So if you are alone, your organization will come to a peak till you are alive. After that it has to fade. Because till it is like a planet, till it is strong, the organization keeps on growing. If it is person centric. But then after some time, when the person is not there, the organization just falls apart. Like Apple, Steve Jobs. When he was there, Apple went on shining. Now it has started falling. Nokia. We have seen big companies. So we are individuals. So all planets must act together. Now suppose you all should come together, form a group, and then treat your results are far better. Like how said, if you understand your chart, if you have got a strong Jupiter, that means you can handle more psychotic cases. Strong Venus, you can handle more Rajasic cases. Or psychosis only, but Shukra related to psychosis. Strong Buddha, more of logical cases. A strong Mars, cancers and aggressive cases. So if you work in team, you will be able to help better. So that is what Jupiter also teaches. He is a prime minister who keeps, like Akbar also has got Navratnas. You remember? So they are specialities in their own field. So that should be what you should try to achieve. So he is the person, Jupiter, who gives stability to your organization. If somebody is working in an organization, he is the person you need. He will give stability to your organization. Venus will give entertainment. That is also important. So beautiful receptionist is a need of the hour. This bondage to your relatives, positive psychosis, anything related to enlargement. So now you tell me, when Guru is dominant in a chart, either to लिखा है 2 drugs और क्या drugs? Ignatia, very good suggestion. Jupiter first house, you find Ignatia quite strongly, specifically in a watery sign. वो मैं बोलूँगा बाद में. Yes. You'll find all conscientious remedies. Lyco, iodum, sulfur iode. Huh? Natrum carb, yes. Conscientious. All conscientious remedy. who are psychotic predominantly or psychosyphilitic. So understand the miasm also. Sora, so heavy, so you need heavy remedies. Ignatia, even though it is light, but still that grief and all thing is very heavy in that person.
So Ferrum will come under this or will come under Sun?
Both. Aurum, Ferrum will come both under Sun because they are kings also. Na? Ferrum can be Mars also, but Ferrum is also very sensitive. So Ignatia, Ferrum come very close to each other. It is the only difference is a plant remedy, it is a metal. So Ferrum has got more strength. Physically that person is very strong compared to IgM. IgM there is hysteria part also, or you get a lot of symptoms contradictory. In Ferrum you don't get that symptoms. So the sensitivity part of moon you will find in Ignatia. While the sun part you will find in Ferrum. Are you getting it how you can come to remedy conclusions now? So strong Jupiter, I will explain it to you how do you find a strong Jupiter. But at present for you to remember it becomes easy now. Jupiter which is strong, you have these qualities. He is never an aggressive person.